Welcome back to Origami videos. Let's make this paper star together. All you will need for this paper star are just 5 pieces of square paper and a little bit of glue. And let's start with folding the first one. We'll turn it around and fold it on the diagonal. And now we will open it. And we'll bring both outside lines of the paper and bring it to the middle line. So bring it in on one side and bring it in on the other side. Like this. Now we'll fold this bottom part of the paper upwards, so we'll fold it on a line right here. So lift it up and make sure that these corners are pointy. And press it down. Now we will align this half of the line with this middle line. So align with the middle line. Press it down. And do the same on the other side. So align this line with a middle line. Like this. Now we will open those two steps and we will apply glue on this square of the paper. And now we will just press those two layers of the paper down. And now we will release it so that this part is opened, and we will do the same steps with all of the rest of the paper. So feel free to pause this video and rewind to see the steps again on how to fold it to this part. Now that all 5 pieces of paper are folded, we'll just press it down into this shape and we will apply glue on this triangle. So press it down, apply glue, take the other piece of the paper, press it down, and fold it directly on the last piece. And continue the same with the rest of the papers. And the last one. And press it down really firmly. Now that the glue is holding everything together, we will once more apply glue on this part. And we will lift our paper and combine this part with this part. So bring it like this, hold it, and just like this we've made our origami star. Hope you enjoyed this video and see you tomorrow in next one.